Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying the microscope's video output and matching it to the TV input. This avoids guessing and saves time. If the microscope has HDMI, use a direct HDMI cable. If it has USB camera output, use a capture device. Once you have the correct cable or adapter, connect power to both devices and switch the TV to the corresponding input. Make sure the microscope is set to live view mode so the signal can pass through. This first step gets a stable feed before adjustments. Once done connecting, configure devices so they communicate properly. If using a capture card with a PC, open the Capture app and select the device. If connecting directly to a smart TV, confirm the input shows a signal. Make sure the TV's resolution matches the microscope's output to avoid stretching. Many digital microscopes output 720p or 1080p. Then you adjust focus, condenser, and illumination on the microscope, and tweak camera exposure and white balance. You finish by securing connections, placing the microscope and TV to avoid strain, and running a brief test across multiple magnifications to confirm consistent image quality. If you need to show details, use TV zoom or crop from the capture software rather than moving the sample. This preserves focus. If things go wrong, start troubleshooting methodically. Verify power, correct TV input, cable integrity and pin orientation, and if using a computer, reinstall capture drivers. These steps usually reveal the single point of failure and restore the feed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.